What kind of classic car can you still buy for just $1,000 to $3,000? Today, we found 15 affordable American classics, vintage trucks, and rare project cars that are still waiting for the right owner. Number 1. 1969 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, $2,500, Quincy, Indiana. Offered for $2,500 in Quincy, Indiana, this 1969 Cadillac Coupe de Ville is strictly a project or parts car. The engine reportedly runs, but the transmission is not shifting, and the seller notes that the frame and trunk pan have extensive rust damage. It also has a damaged steering column and does not include a title. Because of the structural issues, this Cadillac is best viewed as a donor vehicle rather than a straightforward restoration. The seller even mentions it may be parted out if it doesn't sell, making it most appealing to someone looking for hard-to-find 1969 Cadillac components. Number 2. 1979 Plymouth Volare, $1,500, Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Located in Lebanon, Pennsylvania, this 1979 Plymouth Volare is priced at $1,500 with a clean title. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, the seller has already gotten it running and moving around the yard, but it is not yet roadworthy. The driver's side frame rail has been repaired, the vinyl roof is still present, and the body has typical rust along with a missing grille. It's an uncommon Mopar that could become an interesting restoration project for someone willing to continue the work.
Number 3. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $1,800, Commerce, Georgia. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is available in Commerce, Georgia for $1,800. Equipped with its inline 6 engine and 3-speed manual transmission, the seller says both the engine and transmission are in good condition, and the car comes with everything needed to put it back together. The body is described as very straight with minimal rust, and a brand new fuel tank has already been installed. Although it will need to be towed home, it presents a solid foundation for someone looking to restore an early Mustang. Number 4. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair, $1,600, Olathe, Kansas. Priced at $1,600 in Olathe, Kansas, this one-owner 1966 Chevrolet Corvair 500 spent more than 45 years stored inside a barn. Showing just 54,800 original miles, it retains its original title and still has a solid underside with only minor rust around the left rear. The engine turns over but will require rebuilding due to broken spark plugs, and the seller has already installed new tires, a new master cylinder, and several brake lines. It will need to be towed, making it a realistic restoration project or donor car. Number 5. 1960 Chevrolet Impala, $2,500, Rienzi, Mississippi. Offered for $2,500 in Rienzi, Mississippi, this 1960 Chevrolet Impala sedan is described as a very solid car with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. According to the seller, it was running when parked and includes a title. The hubcaps are included, and while it has been sitting, it appears to offer a promising starting point for a restoration. Buyers should still expect the normal inspection and recommissioning that comes with a long-stored classic. Number 6. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $1,250, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is listed for just $1,250 in Kansas City, Missouri. The seller explains that the owner passed away, the title could not be found, and the sale will include only a bill of sale. The engine starts using starter fluid, suggesting it may simply need fuel system attention, such as a fuel pump replacement or carburetor cleaning. While it isn't ready for the road, it offers an inexpensive entry into a C3 Corvette project. Number 7. 1977 Nissan, $2,000, Lebanon, Tennessee. Located in Lebanon, Tennessee, this 1977 Nissan carries an asking price of $2,000. The seller says it has been sitting since 2007 and will start with starting fluid, indicating additional work will likely be required before it can run normally. The vehicle has approximately 65,000 miles, but the title has been lost. Anyone considering it should plan for both mechanical repairs and resolving the title situation before returning it to regular use. Number 8. 1977 Chevrolet El Camino Laguna, $3,000, Washington, Indiana. For $3,000 in Washington, Indiana, this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino Laguna comes with a 350 V8, 4-speed manual transmission and titles for both the project vehicle and an included parts car. The engine reportedly runs well and can drive onto a trailer. The body is already in primer and will need rear quarter panels, while reverse gear occasionally pops out. New floor panels, trim pieces, air shocks, and several additional parts are included, making this a well-equipped restoration project for someone ready to finish the work.
Number 9. 1967 Pontiac GTO, $2,000, Gallatin, Tennessee. Located in Gallatin, Tennessee, this 1967 Pontiac GTO is offered for $2,000 as a serious restoration project or parts car. It comes equipped with a 400 V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, but the car has reportedly been sitting for around 40 years. The seller is upfront about its condition. It has plenty of rust, no title, and will require significant work before it could ever return to the road. A separate frame and a 455 engine are also available for additional cost if the buyer is interested. Despite the condition, original GTOs remain highly desirable among muscle car enthusiasts. The drivetrain alone may attract buyers looking for period-correct components. Overall, this is a realistic purchase for someone seeking a challenging restoration or valuable Pontiac parts rather than an easy project. Number 10. 1949 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe, $2,650, Clio, Michigan. Priced at $2,650 in Clio, Michigan, this 1949 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe sedan still retains its original 216 inline-6 engine, 3-speed manual transmission, and shows approximately 37,000 miles. The body is described as being in overall good condition, with only minor rust, mainly in the front floorboards. Inside, the headliner remains present and appears usable, although the seats will need new upholstery. The original stock wheels are included, but the wide white wall tires shown are not. There is no title, so the buyer will receive the car as is. Anyone planning to register it should verify local title requirements before purchasing. With its classic post-war styling and largely complete appearance, this Chevrolet offers a solid foundation for either a traditional restoration or a custom hot rod build.
Number 11. 1976 Chevrolet El Camino, $1,450, Clio, Michigan. This 1976 Chevrolet El Camino is available in Clio, Michigan for $1,450. Under the hood is a 305 V8 backed by a TH350 automatic transmission and a desirable 12-bolt rear axle. The engine reportedly runs. Although the drivetrain is operational, the truck is not drivable. The fuel tank requires cleaning, and the floors are completely rusted away, making structural repairs necessary before it can safely return to the road. Because of those issues, the seller suggests it could become a race car, derby car, or restoration project. Trades for a square body or C10 may also be considered. At this price, buyers are mainly paying for the drivetrain and platform, while accepting that substantial bodywork will be required. Number 12. 1950 DeSoto Custom 8-passenger limo, $3,000, Clio, Michigan. Offered for $3,000 in Clio, Michigan, this 1950 DeSoto Custom 8-passenger limousine is one of the rarest vehicles in this collection, with the seller stating that only about 1,700 were produced. The body is said to be in overall good condition with only minor rust, and the interior is complete, although it will need full reupholstery. Its straight-six engine is currently locked up, so the car should be considered a non-running restoration project. The Limousine does not include a title, another important consideration for prospective buyers, depending on local registration laws. For collectors looking for something truly uncommon, this DeSoto presents a rare opportunity, provided they are prepared for a full restoration.
Number 13, 1977 Chevrolet C30 Silverado Dually, $2,000, Independence, Missouri. Located in Independence, Missouri, this 1977 Chevrolet C30 Silverado Dually is listed for $2,000. Built on a heavy-duty chassis with a long bed, it is being sold as a classic square-body project truck. The seller does not provide extensive mechanical details, instead describing it as an ideal candidate for farm use, shop duty, restoration, or a custom build. Buyers should inspect the truck carefully to determine its exact mechanical condition. Its heavy-duty platform and dually configuration make it stand out from standard pickups of the era, especially for someone needing a work-oriented classic. Overall, it appears to be an affordable starting point for anyone interested in a vintage Chevrolet heavy-duty truck. Number 14, 1979 Dodge Ram Charger, $1,500, Holly, New York. For $1,500 in Holly, New York, this 1979 Dodge Ram Charger comes equipped with a 318 V8, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a clean title. The seller says it runs, drives, and kind of stops due to leaking rear brake lines and wheel cylinders. The frame is described as mostly solid, with only one rusted crossmember underneath. However, the body itself needs extensive attention, including a driver's side floor pan that has only been set into place. Although it will require brake repairs and body restoration, the healthy drivetrain and solid mainframe may make it worthwhile for someone wanting a vintage 4x4 project. Considering the asking price, this Ram Charger offers a reasonable foundation as long as buyers expect significant bodywork.
Number 15, 1976 Volvo 240 GL Sedan, $1,000, Salisbury, North Carolina. Closing the list is this 1976 Volvo 240 GL Sedan located in Salisbury, North Carolina, with an asking price of only $1,000. The seller removed the original drivetrain while planning a V8 swap, but is now selling the project due to changing circumstances. The body is described as fairly straight, and the seller includes a clean title. Buyers also have the option to purchase a freshly built small block Chevrolet engine, a Super T10 4-speed transmission, and a choice of alloy or steel wheels separately. Because the drivetrain has already been removed, this Volvo is best suited for someone planning an engine swap or custom build rather than a stock restoration. At this price, it represents an affordable blank canvas for enthusiasts looking to create a unique performance-oriented Volvo project. Which project would you take home first? The Mustang, the GTO, the Corvette, or something completely different? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoy discovering affordable classic cars like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Classic Car Roundup.